It's half of the trip.
It's getting dark.
What's getting dark?
It's about that time to be getting dark.
Wait, Shane, I got a question. Was today a Commander Day?
No. Yes, tomorrow's not.
Wait, how was today a Commander Day?
How
How did the teachers get in to the school?
They had to sign into the computer.
That means
you gotta work on your packet?
no, because if we don't have school tomorrow, then I can work on it tomorrow too.
Are you gonna wait till tomorrow to do it?
No, I'm gonna do some of it today and do some of it tomorrow.
I don't even know where Liam's is.
We probably won't have school for
Little road, folks. Imaginary lane here.
imaginary lane.
Yeah, he's guessing.
You can't really see where somebody's driven on it because they haven't driven on it in so long. So it's kind of like you're...
That snow looks like dirt.
That's
Grass.
where it is. The dirt is where they drove.
Come on, eyeballs. Let's film now.
Wait, did we get all the sleighs in here?
Who knows? If they were left outside, they were covered up while we were in the house, so.
They're both in here.
There's tracks. Huh.
But how do you know they did that?
He didn't call you Rick.
Oh, you're right.
He said wreck.
R-E-C.
W-R-E-C-K. W is silent.
Come on, baby.
It's really going
Said road, there'd be a hell lot burning this fucking bullshit. If we make it there. Get a fucking roller in the grass.
It's okay, you just say it wasn't us.
This man taking out the boxes.
Hey, Shane, it's your turn to drive.
Mm-mm. Billy's doing a good job of it.
Hey, so be careful, you're gonna drive real fast. My life kids last decisions. Try to actually relax.
Don't
No,
relax
I
yet.
wouldn't relax.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is slick.
I don't give two shits or a fuck. It ain't nothing
Oh,
like
yeah,
that.
that's...
I ain't gonna say I'm gonna sit here and pass out or anything. Like,
Well, I mean, at least with that back there, you got some type of traction.
no. This right here has got more, it's closer to the dirt. What'd you say?
Yes, the four-wheel drive's on. actually making good timing.
What time is it?
13 minutes from where I started taping.